Hi, it's Stacy with the Stacy Esser Group here at Keller Williams Town Life, and I am excited to invite you to our complimentary home staging and selling workshop. This will be Tuesday, January 14th from 7 to 9 p.m. at our office here in Tenafly, 25 Washington Street. You can get tickets at stacyesser.com/events. We will be covering all things home staging, repairs, inspection, timing, pricing, organization, all these things that seem to overwhelm anybody considering selling their house. And by the way, you may not be considering selling your house this season. However, getting a jump on all this stuff is incredibly helpful and really reduces the amount of stress that you'll end up having. We have also invited Jean Marie Heron. She is a professional organizer. She'll be there with a whole bunch of tips and tricks on stuff and ways to help you get through the process of organizing and getting rid of probably a lot of stuff that you're going to need to get rid of in order to sell your house. So we are excited, and we will touch on, again, a whole lot of home staging tips and tricks. We'll touch on what repairs you should be thinking about, possible upgrades, but definitely talking about stuff that it's not necessary. We're going to touch on what inspection, hot topics, hot points that come up with inspections all the time, so we can bulletproof you to make sure that that doesn't come up in your transaction. And we'll also talk about pricing. So people think the best time is spring, and it might not actually be the best time because you're going on the market when everybody else is going on the market. So we'll talk a little bit about that, and we'll talk about how we approach pricing to create a sense of urgency and bring in the most amount of legitimate buyers at the same time. We'll also talk a little bit about who are the buyers today and what makes them so different from maybe when you bought your house, and how we approach the marketing and selling process based on that information. Again, so I'm Stacy. My whole team will be there to talk with you. That's Tuesday, January 14th. That's 7 to 9 p.m. And you could go ahead and get free tickets at stacyesser.com/events. We look forward to seeing you, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.